Departure, good morning. Louis 1711, 2000, climbing 5000.
Louis 1711, departure, you're identified, climb 7000.
Climb 7000, Louis 1711.
Louis 1711, turn right, heading 150. Louis 1711, turn right, heading 150.
Right, heading 150, Louis 1711.
Louis 1711, turn right, direct Burley.
Okay, right turn, direct Burley, Rouge 1711. We're having an hydraulic system issue. We'll go direct Burley for now, but we might be returning to Toronto. Stand by, sir.
Louis 1711, check the remarks. Roger. Louis 1711, Toronto.
Yeah, go, sir, for Rouge 1711.
Did you want to continue on calls, or would you prefer me just to leave you on radar back just close to the field here?
Just back just close to the field right now. We're just going to check with dispatch here. I don't think we're going to go far with this fault for Rouge 1711.
Rouge 1711, okay, Roger, thanks. You can just fly a heading of 240 at this time.
Okay, heading 240, Rouge 1711.
Rouge 1711, if you're able, can you descend 6000 for me, please?
Is it for Rouge 1711?
Roger, Rouge 1711, if you can, descend 6000.
Yes, we will descend at 6000, Rouge 1711.
Roger, thanks. Rouge 1711, going to keep you on back this head to stay in my airspace, turn right, heading 330.
Turn right, heading 330, Rouge 1711, thank you. And Toronto to Rouge 1711.
Sir, Lasco, go ahead.
Yes, sir, Rouge 1711, electronic official, PAM, Rouge 1711. We have loss of hydraulic ring pressure. We're going to return back to Toronto. We'll need about 20 minutes just to run some checklists and some performance numbers. Requesting the longest runway, probably 05. Yeah, we'll be stopping on the runway. We are unable to taxi afterwards, so we'll need a tow off. Just give it a heads up.
Rouge 1711, thank you for all that information. I'll get back to you with your runway assignment. The 05 is closing at the top of the hour, but let me talk to the tower and see what we can do. Check that you need another 20 minutes, and I'll get back to you when I'm ready for the numbers.
Okay, longest usable runway then for the airport, 05 would be preferred for Rouge 1711. And since I got you there, we have 89 souls on board. We got about 8 tons of fuel, no dangerous goods. And we'll call you back when ready for the approach, sir. Just request back to stay close to the field for now.
Rouge 1711, Roger. I'll leave you on this heading for about another 7 miles, and I'll keep you on back this within 25 miles of the airport. Just to repeat those numbers, 89 souls on board, 8 tons of fuel, and no hazardous material.
That is affirmative. Thank you.
Roger, thanks. Rouge 1711, turn right, heading 060.
Right, heading 060, Rouge 1711.
Rouge 1711, turn right, heading 150.
Right, heading 15. Confirm the heading again?
150 for Rouge 1711.
Right, 150, Rouge 1711.
Rouge 1711, I'm going to switch you over to arrival frequency, and I'll let you know which runway to prep for. 132.8.
132.8, Rouge 1711, thanks for your help.
Good day.
Alright, well, good day, Rouge 1711, pan at 6000.
Rouge 1711, Roger. Let me know when you're ready to come in, sir.
1711, Roger.
Rouge 1711, turn right, heading 220, please.
Right turn, heading 220, Rouge 1711, and can we expect runway 5, sir?
Stand by 1. Rouge 1711, I'll let you know as soon as we figure this out.
Thank you.
Rouge 1711, turn right. Right turn heading 050. You can expect runway 05.
Okay, right turn 050, runway 05. Thanks for your help, Rouge 1711.
Yeah. 1711, you're going to give me a shout when you're ready to come in, correct?
Yes, sir. Just need a few more minutes just to prep for the approach and look over some numbers. We'll give you a shout when ready, sir.
Yeah, take your time. No worries.
And Toronto from Rouge 1711.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just FYI, when we do going for an approach, a long fine will be appreciated, please.
Sure. You let me know how long you want, and I'll set it up for you.
About 20 miles should work out.
Okay, I checked, and yeah, as soon as you let me know, I'll plan that for you.
Great, thanks, Rob.
1711, turn right, heading 240.
Okay, right turn heading 240, Rouge 1711.
1711, turn left, heading 050.
Left heading 050, Rouge 1711.
1711, looks like you accidentally changed that transponder code. 6327 for me, please. 6327.
6327, the transponder code Rouge 1711.
1711, turn left, heading 240. 1711, turn left, heading 240.
Left turn 240, Rouge 1711. Rouge 1711, we are ready for the approach.
Rouge 1711, you're in a downwind. I'll turn you a 20-mile final, descend to 4,000.
Descend to 4,000, Rouge 1711.
Roger. Rouge 1711, turn left, heading 220.
Left heading 220, Rouge 1711.
Roger. Rouge 1711, turn left, heading 150.
Left heading 150, Rouge 1711.
Rouge 1711, turn left heading 090, intercept localizer.
Left heading 090, intercept localizer, Rouge 1711.
Rouge 1711, clear out approach, runway 05, speed is your discretion.
Clear LS runway 05 to the discretion, Rouge 1711.
Rouge 1711, contact tower now 1187, good day.
Tower 187 tower, Rouge 1711.
Roger.
Tower Rouge 1711, pan on the ILS for 05.
Rouge 1711, Toronto Tower. The winds are 080 at 4 knots. Plan to exit 33 right, all the way down to 33 right. If you plan on exiting the runway, you are cleared line runway 05.
Clear turn 05 Rouge 1711. We won't have a steering here, and we'll be stopping on the runway. Be waiting for the tow truck.
Understood. Again, if you could do it somewhere down by 33 right, that gives the best options for ground as well as for your tug.
We'll do our best, Rouge 1711.
Thank you, my friend. Rouge 1711, good work. The vehicles will come and join you. They'll be on ground frequency 12165. Switch to ground now 12165. Good work.
Thank you. We'll see. Should run along. Have a good day. Thanks for your help.
You're most welcome.